So let's get started with Ram. It's one of our biggest customers is Ram trucks. One of my personal favorites is the Ram truck. Some of the awesome upgrades we carry, I have shown behind me. I'll start with the UAX upgrade. So all your 2019 and up Ram trucks have the capability to go to the UAX option code. This is a factory system. All of our parts are factory, guys. I wanted to make that clear right here in the beginning. This is the factory Uconnect touchscreen, 12.1-inch touchscreen, has built-in GPS navigation, built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get a whole other wide array of features like HD radio and so on and so forth. Awesome upgrade here. This is going to be the best infotainment system you can put in your Ram 2019 and up. If you want to scale back just a little bit, you can go with our UAV option code. Now, the UAV option code, similar to this UAX, it has built-in GPS navigation, HD radio, Sirius XM with TravelLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has the high-resolution touchscreen, very sharp system for those who want to take a step down from the 12-inch. Take another step down. One of our most popular upgrades actually is our UAM option code. It's a non-navigation unit, 8.4-inch touchscreen. And that unit there is awesome. It's a great price point, has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Very easy to install. So take a look at that as well. That's the UAM option code 8.4. Just to notate one thing, these are all plug and play. So you're going to retain your steering wheel controls. You're going to retain Bluetooth. You're going to retain satellite radio, so on and so forth. Now, if you don't have satellite radio in your new body Ram truck, and that's all you want, you don't want to go to a touchscreen, you don't want any of that other stuff, you can go to add a satellite radio through our UAA option code. So be sure to take a look at that. Now, in excess of some of the new radios that we carry for the new body Rams, we carry so much more. I'll touch briefly on a few of them. Power folding mirrors. We've been carrying power folding mirrors back into the 2013 model year. We carry it all. We carry the standard mirror. We carry the tow mirror, power folding tow mirror with the little indicator light underneath, the puddle lamp, the indicator lights on the corner for your blinker. Awesome, easy to install, 100% factory upgrade. So the 2019 and up, we do carry that. I wanted to mention a few other things about it. We are now carrying blind spot monitoring. So those of you who want power folding mirrors and blind spot monitoring capability, we now offer that, all factory parts. I'll dig a little bit deeper into that with some things that are coming up soon. We also carry now all the LED lights you could possibly want for your Ram truck. And not aftermarket, all factory LED lights. That's the latest and greatest thing right now in automotive technology. Everyone wants LED, right? So we carry everything LED for the Ram. Starting with the headlights, you will get factory Mopar LED headlights. They do come in two different variations. They come with the black bezel, more of a sport look. And they also come with a chrome insert bezel, which is more of like your Laramie type style. So that's the case with all the headlights. You're going to get either a black shroud or a chrome shroud. You can choose between the two. Fog lights, let's talk about that. If you have halogen fog lights on your Ram truck, you can easily upgrade to LED fog lights. We have a full install video, shows you how to do it. Awesome upgrade, 2019 and up Ram trucks. If you don't have fog lights at all, that's coming soon. I wanted to throw that in there, and I'll talk about that in a few minutes. Now, let's work our way back from the front of the truck. The clearance lights. So 2019 and up clearance lights on the heavy-duty trucks. That is coming soon as well. We have a plug-and-play kit. Obviously, you'll have to drill into your roof, have your installer do that, and you'll have plug-and-play clearance lights on the top. Moving further back, the Chimsel camera, which is located on the top of your cab, above your bed. We do carry LED Chimsel cameras. Now, something that's coming soon, the 2021 Ram 1500 now has the backup camera mirror. The camera is embedded into the Chimsel camera or into the Chimsel light. So that is something that's going to be coming out soon as well. But maybe if you just want to add LED lighting on your third brake light and getting away from the halogen lights, the incandescent lights, take a look at the options that we have, both for the 1500 and for the heavy duty. So that's coming out here real soon. That is the one with the mirror, the rear view camera mirror. And again, I'll talk about that here in just a minute. Some other things, working your way back even further. I don't have it on the table here, but we do have the LED bed lights. So that means when you unlock your car, the two lamps that are in your bed will illuminate the whole cargo area, which makes it really nice at night. Furthermore, if you unlock and open up your tailgate, it'll also illuminate. That is an awesome feature is there as well. Going back at the end, you have your tail lights. So all the 2019 and up Ram tail lights come with the LED signature lighting around the perimeter on the outside. You also can get it with the blind spot monitoring. I mentioned that earlier. If you want blind spot monitoring, you can opt for that particular tail light. If you don't really care about blind spot monitoring, you can still upgrade to the LED tail lights through infotainment.com. Again, plug and play, and it comes with everything you need to get up and running. Another thing that we have been carrying since the 2013 model year is the premium digital cluster. Now, the digital cluster is an awesome upgrade for those of you who have the standard base model cluster, the little tiny screen where it shows you your miles per hour and your odometer. Once you go to the full digital cluster, you're going to get access to a lot more digital gauges. The graphics are going to be a lot better. It just looks really, really cool at nighttime. It really enhances the look and feel of your vehicle. I always say if you replace your cluster and you replace your infotainment system, right away, it's going to be an awesome technological upgrade to your truck. And not just Ram, we'll get into Ford and GM later in the video, but those are awesome upgrades, very easy to install as well. A few other little things I wanted to brush on is we do offer now the plug and play integrated trailer brake controller for the Ram truck, full Mopar, all Mopar parts. You simply install it in your truck. It's already pre-wired for it, guys. So all you got to do is plug it in, install your module, and then we partner with OBD Genie for a plug and play programmer. You run it through your OBD2 port, and it activates the feature. So that is very popular. We've sold hundreds of those. We just released it a couple months ago, so be sure to take a look at that.